All right, if you're watching this video, you have successfully come up with 25 words and highlighted at least 5 of those words of importance to the story, The Escape. Now, I'm going to show you how to take those 25 words and turn those words into a beautiful work of art. So, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to wordart.com. Once you go to WordArt, you're going to have to give it all kinds of permissions to track you and uh, watch where you go on the internet. Don't be scared. You want to go to sign up. Once you go to sign up, you're going to sign up using Google. Once you do that, you're going to have to give it some kind of permissions here. Choose your account. I'm going to choose my school account. And you're going to come to this dashboard right here. Once you go to this dashboard, you're going to click Create. And when you create, it's going to pop up another dashboard where you can start to include your words here. So if I was doing the escape, I would have maybe a word for the setting, like jail, or I would have rats are important. Maybe I'm talking about the emotion that one of the characters is going through, like Boris and the escape, the fear. And then I can add new words here, things like tunnel. I just hit enter to type in a new word. Let's see here, like even the in, like bars. It's an important part of the story. And here is where I can now. I've got my words. I've just got like 5 words here. I'm going to visualize this. Now, when I visualize this, it's going to take a few moments, and I now can see that my words are here in my word art. I can increase their size. So I think that rats are kind of an important aspect of this. So I'm going to make the size a little bit bigger. And any changes that I'm going to make, I'm going to have to visualize it again. Now you see how that's changed. Jail went a little bit smaller than the rats. Now this is pretty cool. It shouldn't take you too long to do this, but this is where you can really add some interesting things here. With shapes, you can make different shapes. So I could decide perhaps to include the shape of an animal that would be important to the story. Not a penguin, but here's an example. I'm going to visualize this with my penguin shape. And now I have this as my shape, the shape of my word art. You can do all kinds of things here with your text. You can change the script. You can change the layout. You can make words horizontal. You can change the density of words. You can change the style. What I want you to do with this is I want you to just mess with this a little bit. All right. I want you, each time you're going to make a change, you're going to visualize it. There is a part where you have to save your word art. You're going to rename it up here. Name it probably the escape. Surprise, right? Save that. And then it should be on your dashboard. So if I close out of this, here's my dashboard and there's the escape. It should save your work just like it saved mine. There's my beautiful penguin. Once you have finished this, all right, share it with your group members. And I want you to go back to your Google Classroom. And once you go to Google Classroom, there will be a spot in the classroom for you to post the link to your page. So in order to share it, I go right here, I click the link. Your word art is private at the moment. Do you want to make it public to share its link? Yes, make it public. I'm going to copy this to my clipboard. Then I would go into my Google Classroom, whatever block you're in, and that's where you're going to, in this classwork, you're going to find a classwork where you're going to paste this link into that assignment and turn it in. After we are all finished and we have gone through the stations, we will then do a gallery walk on our word art, and we will vote for the word art that is the best. If you have any questions, be sure to use one of your question cards. If not, go back and re-watch the video. to find out how to sign up and to mess with the word art page. Thank you.